My name is Chastity, and this is my friend Alexis. Tonight, she's going to her first holiday party of the season, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy holiday hairstyle. The quickest and easiest way to spice up a holiday hairstyle are hair accessories. My favorite go-to are hairpins. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop in 2 braids, and I'm going to show you the quick and easiest way to pop in those hairpins. Alright guys, there you have it. That was a quick, easy way to just spice up 2 braids. Now she's all ready for the party.